Alright friends, back again for day 2 of multiplication. So today we are going to talk about the identity property. And the identity property says any number multiplied by 1 will always equal itself. So let's talk about that. That means any number that is multiplied by 1 will be that number. So let's look. I can make camera right now. Let's look at closer and reset. Alright. So let's talk about the identity property. So it says any number multiplied by 1 is itself. So that means if I had the multiplication problem 1 times 5, that means I have one group with 5 in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, length groups of length. And this, basically, you're multiplying. So, one group of 5. That's how we can break that down. Those are those parts. So that means in all we would have 5 dots. If I had 5 times 1, that means I would have 5 groups with 1 in each. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's keep going. What if I had 3 times 1? That would mean I'd have 3 groups of 1. So it would equal 3 because we're always trying to find the number inside. If I had 1 times 9, that means I'd have 1 group of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 group of 9. So I would have 9 in the group. So any number multiplied by 1 is going to equal that other number. Okay? It's that simple. So just like our zeros, you don't have to think much with this. I mean, it is that simple. So let's go to, Thursday's work. And let's look at what you're doing today. So today you're going to use the tools located in the Insert menu to draw your models and insert shapes and lines. Then Scribble Line will allow you to draw right on the screen. So you're going to do basically what we just did. So I had already given you the multiplication sentence, so I went a little backwards. So let's do the first one together. 1 group of 3. Remember in our multiplication sentence, you just plug those numbers in. 1 group of, remember the times tables can mean group of, and then 3. So we need to draw that, and how you can do that is you can use your shapes right here, if you want. So 1, and then I can use my line tool and click Scribble. 1, 2, 2. It'd probably be easier to do this on paper, so you're welcome to do that. So I have 3 circles. So 1, 2, 3. So that's one group of 3. Another way you can do it is you can take your shapes. Maybe you want a circle. I had one group of 10. I would do my circle, and I could insert more shapes if I wanted to. Maybe I wanted smiley faces. So I'd just do those. 1, and then put 10 in there. You can also click edit copy, and then edit paste, so you don't have to keep doing it. It's just going to copy and give you another one of that. Or you can highlight it all, view it really big. So if I needed I needed 10 in there, it's kind of going to be hard to do 10 little ones. I can make them tiny. Move them around. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have that, but obviously this whole circle is way too big for that, so I'm going to drag and highlight it all. And then it's going to highlight it all. I'm going to take it real small. Maybe that's too big. I can make it as small as I need to. Like I said, it's probably going to be easier to do it on paper and just upload a picture. But if that's not an option, you can do it this way. It will just take a little longer. So that's why I only did one page. So you're going to do that today. And then tomorrow, what you're going to do, let's see if I can find it for you, is you're going to do a sheet just like yesterday with your zeros. So it's going to be the same thing. At the bottom, you're going to create an array to represent the equation or the multiplication sentence. So 1 row of 10. So you just drag and drop this and make your array, okay? So that's what you're doing tomorrow. If you have any questions, you know me. I can't wait to see all your great work.